Hi guys, so today I'm here to tell you guys how you can add special effect like special thunder effect to your videos. It's quite simple. All you have to do is just follow these few steps and you're good to go. First of all, you need to go to your vidmate, or you can even do that on CapCut, but I prefer using vidmate, so you can choose anyone that works well for you. Go to your vidmate, then type what you want. Let's say you want green screen for want add thunder effect. So you type thunder sfx green screen, type it on vidmate and it will show you leaks of thunders. Don't guys and kill somebody. Show you list of thunders. So all you have to do is select the one you want as it's showing on the screen here. Select the one you want from what is shown on the screen, download it, then go to your CapCut. When you go to your CapCut, open your CapCut, then open new project. When you open your new project, select the video you want to add the effects to. Select the video. Then when you select the video, then when you have selected the video and added it to your timeline, then click on overlay. Then select the thunder effects you want. This is the thunder effect that you already downloaded. Select it. When you have done that, make sure it covers the whole screen. Like, make sure the green screen thunder effect added covers the whole screen. Then when you have done that, then click on that thunder effect as you are seeing on the screen. Click on that overlay, then click on cut out. When you open cut out, click on chroma key. When you open chroma key, then follow the procedures as is shown on the screen right here. Follow the procedures. When you have clicked on chroma key, reduce the effect, the green on that on the background of the overlay, leaving only the thunder. Then when you have done that, next thing you have to do is go to your main video. If you maybe don't like your background, just like I did, I wanted to change my own background. I wanted my background to be black, so I just removed my background entirely, just like I showed in this video. So if you love your background so much, you can choose to leave it. Then when you have done that, you are good to go. You have successfully added your thunder effect to your video. Then click on this arrow right here, export your video, and voila, you can post. Hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section. This few. Peace out.